Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a little bit different of a video here. Have an unboxing of sorts. A member of the Discord group, which I have a link to in the description, posted that these Casio Duros were on sale from Walmart. So I picked up 6 of them. I'm going to be giving these away eventually. I haven't figured out exactly the cadence or what I'm going to do with these yet. I did notice that one of them's dead. I'm assuming he just needs a new battery, so I'll buy a battery and replace that. But also another member of the Discord group bought some, and he picked up a bunch of them, and I bought them from him. So I'm going to unbox those here. So it's an unboxing within an unboxing video, I guess. However you want to say that. This one, it came in a metal tin though, so I'm assuming this is the earlier model, and maybe they've since changed to these cardboard boxes. I'm assuming Walmart is clearing them out because the Duro is changing, or it's getting updated. The Marlin's getting removed from the dial. I don't know if that's a trademark thing or what's going on with Casio with that, but I'm assuming that since that's getting removed, that Walmart's just clearing these out. Don't really know, but let's see. These 3-Ball Man picked up, and I bought them from 3-Ball Man to give away. So let's see which ones he sourced from Walmart, his local Walmart. Actually, don't know how many are in here, or exactly what variations. So let's take a look. Maybe I should zoom back out. There we go. Of course, I opened the box upside down. Yeah, so these are all cardboard boxes. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one feels a little lighter, so maybe there's 3 in here. Or 2, I don't know. Alright, so we got 3 in here. So I guess it takes us up to 13. So yeah, I bought 13 Casio Duros. Alright, so let's... It's kind of funny, I guess, really, you know. A little crazy, but let's see what each one looks like. So that's blue. I don't think it matters which leg goes with which one. Alright, so we got blue there. Looks like black. Then this Pepsi colorway, which I don't really understand that Pepsi, the colorway, because it's, you know, it's not a GMT. Another Pepsi. Looks like a blue one. I had a blue one a while ago. I actually had a black one a long time ago too. That black one had a sapphire crystal. So we got green. Black. Yeah, I think that's black. Another Pepsi. And then there's that black one I showed at the beginning that's not working right now. Another green one. Black one. And this is a nice metal tin. And that looks to be a blue one. So let me see if I can arrange these real quick. I'll pause the video and see what we have here total. Okay, so it looks like we have 3 blue, 2 with the green bezel, black dial, green bezel. The blue has blue dial, blue bezel. Then we have 4 black ones, and then we have 4 of these Pepsi colorways. So yeah, just a quick unboxing here. Kind of, I don't know, it's kind of funny having all these watches of the same model, but like I said, I'm gonna give all of these away. I'm not sure what I'll do. Maybe, I don't know, once a month, maybe every other month. I don't know. We'll figure something out. I got the bracelets giveaway, G-Shock bracelet giveaway coming up soon. And then for 5,000 subscribers, I'm giving away a Casio Pathfinder ABC watch. That's around here somewhere. So just a quick unboxing video. Let me know if you guys picked up any of these watches for yourself. They were a pretty good price, so hard to pass up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It really does help me out, and then it'll keep you notified of when I do give these watches away. And that will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.